Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 295 different strategies, with 91 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 188 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,010 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says it's much easier to get profitable when you use this scalping trading strategy. And so, interesting claim, and of course we're going to put that to the test and see if this strategy really can get you profitable. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator you will add to the screen is the Smarter MACD band, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and jump into the settings on this. Under the inputs, you're going to change the fast EMA length to 45, the slow to 90, then jump down to the MACD fast. You're going to change that to 14. The slow, you're going to change to 27, and the signal, you're going to change to 21. Then jump into the styles here, and under the MACD bullish divergence, you're going to want to change that selection to below bar. Under the MACD bearish divergence, you're going to change that to above bar. And everything else can stay on the default settings, and just go ahead and click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the Best Cloud All MA, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and jump into the settings of this as well. And under the source, you're going to make sure that is on close. Under the moving average type, or type of moving average, you're going to change that to SMA. The moving average one length, you're going to make sure that is 100. The second type of moving average, you're going to make sure that's SMA. And the second moving average length, you're going to change that to 200. Jump into the styles of this one, and you're going to turn off the trend state bar coloring, and you're going to turn off the shapes here, these two shape selections, and then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when price is trading below the cloud, and we want the cloud to be red, and then we are looking for a red arrow here pointing downward there. That's going to be our signal to enter into a short, and we're going to put our trade right here, our stop just right above this kind of pivot right there, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Pretty close there. Adjust it just a little bit. That's fine. We'll go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And a really nice move to the downside gets us to our take profit pretty easy. Alright, and for a long trade, what we are looking for is price to be trading above the moving average cloud. We want the cloud to be green like it is right here. And then we are looking for that green arrow like this here, pointing upward, that's going to be our signal to enter into the long. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot right here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward so you can see how it plays out. Takes just a little bit, but we stair step our way up, getting us to our take profit rather nicely. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. So not the easiest or most profitable strategy by far. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 49 trades altogether. We had 39 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $23,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $12,000 for an overall gain of $11,400. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the trades the Academy of Forex Indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 8 trades altogether. We had 3 winning and 5 losing trades, putting it at a 37% win rate. It would have been a drawdown of $2,500. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 3 winning trades, and a 100% win rate would have been a gain of $1,800. For the week, we would have been down $700, and at the 30-week total now, we would have been up $48,330 over 238 trades. And so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex Indicator. You see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.